Stress increases cortisol levels. Stress increases your fight, flight, freeze reaction. Cortisol makes you crave sugar and makes it hard to sleep. Elevated cortisol levels also make it difficult to poop. You'll either poop all at once, like a big rush of diarrhea because you're stressed, or you lock up and you don't poop at all. So, things that cause elevated cortisol levels can be, of course, running from a predator in a dangerous situation. It can also be psychological stress, such as relational stress, financial stress, work stress, lack of sleep, noise stress, crowd stress, all kinds of things make it difficult to poop. So one thing that can help is to learn to self-regulate, and that can relax your gut and put you in relaxation and rest and restore, and your parasympathetic nervous system can turn on. So I have these breathing exercises, so check them out and see if that doesn't help you deal with stress, because elevated cortisol levels will kill you slowly on a lot of levels. So we got to deal with that.